Hello there again, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of A.R.T's Real Repairs for Real Customers. Today we're going to address a bleach stain in an automotive carpet. Now, nobody likes to re-dye bleach stains, but you will when you see just how easy it can be. So tag along. Let's go to work. This bleach accident happened some time ago, so basically the bleaching action has stopped by now. Otherwise, we would want to use a bleach neutralizer before proceeding any further. As usual, if the trim is easy to remove, why not? We'll have better access and we will have more uniform results as well. From my metallic colors, I have one that is very close, but a little bit too dark. So I've picked 3 others to choose from to lighten it. Now, as I lighten, I want to be sure to go in the right color direction. So that's what I'm looking for here. I only picked 3 colors so that I won't run out of fingers to test with. So it's good to test it right on the carpet and dry it for a proper perspective. Here I am dry cleaning with acetone, which evaporates very quickly, of course, and I can move right along with the color. One of the difficulties in hiding bleached areas has always been getting sufficient coverage deep down to the roots of the fibers. I've found that wiping in with the fingertips does the best job. It takes some time, but is absolutely the best approach in my experience. The color formula here is a high metallic automotive water-based toner. It's the strongest product I have for this application. And this is what would be called an off-label use, which most of our products fall into that category anyway. They are designed for another specific use or even for another industry, but we translate them to use in our industry for our specific uses. Water-based toners are essential for getting the roots colored effectively. The high metallic content gives a glitter to the dark base, and that mimics the combination of the dark and clear fibers of the factory carpet. Actually, the ultrametallic toners work best to hide any stain that can't be removed, because it really, in effect, lays down millions of tiny mirrors, and that reflects the light before it could ever reach the stain. Solvent aerosols have often been used on carpets in the past, but they cannot hide this kind of damage. Besides, the rocket scientists in the cleanup department keep spraying until the stain is hidden, and the results are the same as if you spilled a pint of paint and it dried rock hard. It's hard to imagine, but this still goes on in this day and age. With this approach, most of the job is accomplished in the wipe-in step. Very little time is actually used in spraying the carpet. So I dry the carpet and then brush it to keep the fibers separated. By the way, brushing while wet only clumps the fibers together. So I'm separating the fibers here and trying to get a nice even lay of the carpet. That way I can see any spots that still need to be touched up for a uniform base coverage. If you have mixed a color before using a solvent-based dye or water-based dye, you know that when it touches the carpet, it immediately looks much darker. When using these ultra-metallic colors, however, there is not that much differential. Basically, what you see is what you get. And for that reason, with other colored carpets, I usually start with the ultra-metallic silver base, and I will add colored toners minimally to attain my carpet color. Now we're ready for a test spray. That looks pretty good. So I'm confident I can go through with an overall color. This formulation hides really well, so you can see it's just a mist of color that's needed on the surface. There is a spot here next to the side trim, so I just push the trim away and touch it up. Then it's a quick cleanup on the trim. Now I'm brushing the carpet in a couple of directions, and I'm feeling very confident that I've got good coverage. And for good measure, let's do just a general overall blend of the cargo area. Any overspray on the trim cleans up right away with my water-based cleaner. Left for very long, however, the overspray will be difficult to remove. So we're done. But wait! If you decide to give it that just vacuumed hotel room look to impress your customer, look here. The nap of the dyed carpet shows exactly like the factory carpet. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you found something beneficial here, something that you can use to make money in your business, something that makes your business easier and more profitable. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you hit the bell, you'll be notified of future video uploads.